Good morning. Welcome to yesterday's coffee.
Someday, you will find that someone.
I'm not the type of guy who commits.
Siya, the heartbreaker. Makakita ka din ng katapat mo.
Huwag kang tatanga-tanga.
You should at least have one person that you cherish.
Friends tayo, di ba?
Ayoko maging friends tayo.
Mga friends? Ano mo na, Pakela? Don't care, no?
See you later.
Sorry, I can't make it to the party tonight. I'm on a date.
I hope so. Nakahawak ng kamay.
Unintentional.
Because I always wanted to be loved.
This is the first time na wala akong control sa feelings ko.
I feel hopeful for myself. I feel like I want to make relationships with people again.
Do you want another escape? I love you forever, always, beyond.
Andy? Dito ka na naman.
Sana pwede mo matulungan sa magkasama tayo.
Marami pa tayong oras.
You will not lose me. I promise.
Kaya dapat ako nag-ingat.
What if there's a little monster inside of me too? Ayaw maging kagaya nila.
Ano, ipaliwanag mo sa akin! Inahan mo naman ako, di ba? Inahan mo naman ako.
Ano pong gusto mong gawin ko? Ha? Pilitin ko yung sarili ko sa relasyon na to para maayos ka?
Hindi, fix it!
Can't act like this! Seriously, Eileen? Kiss her. Yeah. Kiss her.
September 5, exclusively on Viva One. And that concludes our yesterday's Escape Grand Media Conference. Maraming salamat to our esteemed guests, media partners, and of course, the brilliant minds behind the show. We would also like to thank our sponsor, Gateway Mall, Boteju, Wetzel's, Pretzels. Please don't forget to download Viva One and subscribe, or you may stream via the website, of course, viva1.ph. At mapapanood nyo syempre ang Love You Lots exclusively din on Viva One this coming September 5. Every Saturday po ang fresh episode. Subscribe to Viva One for only 99 pesos per month or 949 pesos per year. Also, get your tickets now for Viva's All-Star Games. Dahil bukod sa basketball game between Team Viva One and Team Viva Records, ay magkakaroon rin ng cheer dance competition. Get your tickets now sa Viva All-Star Games at sa following ticket selling featuring our artists. On July 31, aabangan natin syempre si Jairus Aquino and Marco Gallio. Save the date, on July 31, magkita-kita tayo dyan sa Yellow Gate Smart Araneta Coliseum. Get your tickets, meet your favorites at simulan na ang countdown para sa Viva All-Star Games 2026. Thank you so much, everybody. This has been your host, Phoebe Walker. Enjoy, everybody, and ingat lahat sa pag-uwi. started with one book at unti-unti nating naging tahanan ng mga karakter na sabay nating minahal. Alright, tignan natin ang representation ng ating mga books. Hello, hello, kamusta kayo dyan? Simulan natin, of course, it all began with The Rain in España, where we fell in love with Calix and Luna. Then came Sing Sky's Archer, where Hero and Yana showed us that kahit anong turbulence na ibato ng buhay, love is always worth fighting for. Sinundan ito ng Chasing in the Wild, the story of Sebi and Elise, who proved that love is worth chasing no matter how wild the journey. Then came Avenues of the Diamond, where Clyden and Sam taught us that love can shine even through life's toughest battles. At syempre, ang golden scenery of tomorrow, where we witness the beautiful story of Arkin and Via, reminding us that every tomorrow is worth fighting for. At ngayon, isang libro na naman ang sisimulan natin ang journey. 6 unforgettable books, 6 iconic love stories, syempre, but more than that, one univerkada. Isang pamilya, sabay nating nakilala at sinubaybayan. At ngayon, dumating na tayo sa pinakahinihintay nating kabanata, the 6th and final installment of Boy Saludes phenomenal university series with over 720 million total reads. Lahat ng kwento, lahat ng alaala, lahat ng pagmamahal, magsasama-sama ngayong hapon. No need to vibe check. Alam kong ang energy ninyo hanggang taas-taasang. Please do keep that energy until the end of the show. Pero ito, Viverkada, handa na ba kayong muli makasama ang buong Univerkada? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Grand Media Conference of Viva One's newest series, Our Yesterday's Escape. Pero syempre, bago nating simulan ang ating Grand Media Conference, painitin muna natin ang entablado with a very special opening performance. He is one of today's most celebrated indie folk singer, songwriter, producer with over 50 million Spotify streams and the hit song Sa Bawat Sandali, which continues to win the hearts of OPM listeners. Isa rin siya syempre sa mga talented artists na makakasama natin sa Viva All-Stars Game 2026 kasama ng Team Viva Records. At syempre makakasama na natin sa event ang ilan sa ating Univerkada for Team Viva One. And this time, his music becomes part of the story as he performs Hindi Na Akin, one of official OST of Our Yesterday's Escape. Kaya ito po, Viverkada, let's give a warm welcome to Amiel Song.